Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix fail to copy problem in Google Sheets. If you're getting a fail to copy error in Google Sheets, you don't need to worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how you can fix it in just a few easy steps. So this error usually happens when you are trying to copy data between sheets or file, but Google Sheets cannot complete the action due to permissions, size limits, or file issues. So first, you need to make sure that you have added access to the file that you are trying to copy from. Here, you can just click on Share and confirm you are not in the View Only mode. Or there's also usually here if you are on view only mode, there will be shown in here. So make sure you don't you have permissions to edit the file. And if you're copying an entire file, you can try copying just one sheet instead. So you can just click on File and here go to Make a Copy options and choose the specific sheets or range you need to copy. And you can also use paste special. So if it's just data you are copying, you can use paste special or value only to avoid formulas or formatting that may be causing the problem. So you can just right click and choose to paste special value only here. And sometimes formatting can also cause issues. So you can just select the cells that here and go to format and here choose to clear the formatting. You can also try use incognito mode on or another browser or updating your Chrome because sometimes browser issues block copy actions. And that's how to fix the fail to copy error in Google Sheets. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and click on thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials.